So how's she going?
I'm pretty good. It's a slow day. I seen your video about the fake transistors, man. That's not good. Not good at all. Glad you got it figured out, though. I never seen. Did you get the radio fixed yet?
No, she's not working yet. I still got I got to come up with a couple of new drivers and finals for her. But the ones I ordered in were fakes, as you know, and they're no good for nothing.
That's the worst, man. So they're actually not. Are they transistors at all, or what? Did they work as anything?
Well, I read online apparently what they actually are audio switching transistors. They're not RF transistors at all.
Oh, for sure, just restamped or something. That's crazy.
Yeah, so like I say, boy, you never know what you'll get from China when you orders over there, boy. 'Cause you don't know who to trust and who not to trust, you know.
Right, for sure, man. What radio you on now? The little sideband one, are you?
Yeah, I'm just on the Radio Shack 485.
Nice, man. Sounded pretty good. Yeah, I had to reduce power a bit.
Yeah, she's not bad. She serves me well, I guess. I got her, I don't know, probably a year or so ago, I suppose, and had a little bit of work to do with her to get her up and running, but I got her sorted out.
Yeah, I still can't get you in 100%. Do you have is the clarifier unlocked on that when you change the clarifier? Does it change the channel slightly?
No, the clarifier's not open on this at all. She's solidly locked her over.
Nice. Yeah, you're coming in a little bit skewed there for sure, but I got you in pretty good.
Oh, what's she sounding like to you?
Kind of like a marriage. It's like it's off channel a bit on the sideband. It's like resonating a little tiny bit off. I'm not sure.
Well, she is off frequency a little bit. I know that. She's 382.5. She's down a bit.
Nice. Yeah, I managed to get you in pretty good though. So what's your plans for this afternoon? I'm not that much at all on YouTube. I'm still watching some videos on the radio. Hopefully Skip's in later. Who knows?
That's about it, boy. Just uploading a few random videos, you know.
Proper thing. Yeah, I seen the one about the SDR you got, and that's wonderful. You were able to get down to 6 meters and stuff. That's real good. I'll be looking into getting one of them next, or the up converter, or there's also a mod for them actually. A little mod for the SDR, but I'm not sure if that will work or not.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a pretty cool little gadget. I didn't notice she's all modes, new upper lower sideband, AM and FM and wide FM. She's a cute little gadget.
I never came across the double sideband before. Was that being used for like military, or what would the double sideband normally be used for?
I have no idea, to be honest with you. I'm sure it's got uses of some sort there, the double sideband, but I've never used it. Although she do support that mode.
Yeah, for sure. The next one I'm going to be getting is for the shortwave, definitely, because that opens up, so much more frequencies, which is wonderful for receiving on. Real good. Well, anyway, man, I'll be on the side now, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great afternoon. I'll talk to you in a bit.
Peter, take her easy. All the best.